On a warm summer day in a small seaside village, Milo stood on the beach, gazing out at the ocean. Little did he know today would be an adventure unlike any other. Suddenly, out of the swaying seaweed, appeared Finley. Finley shared stories of the ocean.
Hello, Milo. I have something important to show you.
Wow, you can talk. This is amazing.
How to create animated story videos. Using AI, animated story videos are taking over the internet, and you don't want to miss out on this trend. Small YouTubers are leveraging this opportunity, gaining hundreds of thousands of views and making significant earnings. A great example is a channel called History in a Nutshell, which has uploaded only 29 videos, but has already amassed over 6,000 subscribers. Children like watching this entertaining animation videos. The best part? You don't need expensive tools or gadgets to get started. Despite what most YouTube gurus might tell you, all you need are 5 basic AI tools to create stunning animated story videos, just like the one I've created. Step 1. Generate your story script using ChatGPT. To begin creating this type of video, head over to ChatGPT. This tool can help generate story scripts for your videos. You can either request a script on a specific topic or ask for ideas if you're unsure what to create. For example, I asked ChatGPT to provide story ideas, and from the list it generated, I chose Milo and the Secret of the Talking Fish. Next, provide ChatGPT with specific details about your story, such as target audience, duration of the story, number of scenes, narration tone, image style, character details, age, clothing, hairstyle, etc. You can find these details in the description link. Once you input these details, ChatGPT will generate prompts for your images and narration. My story includes 2 characters, Milo and Finley the fish. I also instructed ChatGPT to separate the narrator's speech from the character's dialogue. Step 2. Generate images using Leonardo AI. The next AI tool you need is Leonardo AI to create your visuals. Here's how. Open Leonardo AI and click Create Image. Copy the image prompt for your first scene from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI. Adjust the settings. Select Phoenix 1.0 as the preset style. Turn off Prompt Enhancer. Set the image dimension to 16 by 9. Leave the number of images at 4. Click Generate and download your first image. Repeat the process for all scenes by copying and pasting the respective prompts from ChatGPT into Leonardo AI. Once done, download all images. Step 3. Generate voiceovers using ElevenLabs AI. Now it's time to add voiceovers using ElevenLabs AI. You'll need 3 different voiceovers. The narrator's voice, the first character's voice, Finley, the talking fish, the second character's voice, Milo, the young boy. Steps to generate audio. Copy the first part of the script for the narrator from ChatGPT. Paste it into ElevenLabs AI and select a storytelling-friendly voice. Click Generate Speech and download the audio file. Repeat this for all narrator lines, naming them sequentially, e.g., Narrator 1, Narrator 2. Do the same for the dialogue of Milo and Finley, selecting suitable voices for each character. Once completed, download all voiceovers onto your PC. Step 4. Animate characters using PixVerse AI. To bring your characters to life, use PixVerse AI to animate your images. Upload your first image. Describe the motion you want PixVerse to generate, e.g., Milo standing on the beach looking at the ocean. Adjust animation settings if needed. Click Generate and wait for PixVerse to create your animated scene. Download the animated scene. Repeat the process for all images, ensuring consistency with your story sequence. After generating the animated videos, the next step is to add lip syncing. Click on the lip sync icon in PixVerse. Instead of typing text, click Upload Audio and select the appropriate voiceover file. Click Create and wait for the AI to sync the voice with the animation. Download the lip-synced video. Repeat these steps until all scenes have been animated and synced with their respective voiceovers. Step 5. Edit and finalize using CapCut. Finally, use CapCut, a beginner-friendly video editing tool, to put everything together. Import all your animated video clips and voiceovers. Arrange them in order on the timeline. Add transitions between scenes for a smoother flow. Generate captions automatically and customize them by changing font style and size, adjusting font color, adding animations to make captions more engaging. Once everything is in place, export your final video. Ready to upload. Wow! Your animated story video is now complete and ready to be uploaded to your channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And yes, this type of content can be monetized on YouTube. See you in the next video.